Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to start your own Shopify store or want to upgrade your existing one, this video is for you. Today I'll show you the 4 best Shopify expert on who can help you build, design and grow your online store fast and professionally. So make sure to watch till the end because I will also share a few tips on how to choose the right Shopify expert for your business. Starting a Shopify store might sound easy, but when it comes to design, setup, product price, and automation, these things can get complicated. That's where Shopify expert come on. They help you set up everything from product upload, custom themes to payment gateway and marketing integration, saving you time, effort, and mistakes. So first of all, check this. He is a Fiverr seller. His name is Shuman Mia. He is a Shopify expert. He will design, redesign Shopify store, Shopify Dropshipping store website. He is a very professional. He have 342 review, 4.9 rating, 10 order in queue already. His basic price is only $85. One hot product Shopify store plus premium theme, representative design, logo, complete branding. He will do 3 days delivery. Under 3 days, within 3 days, he delivery unlimited revision. So basic price only $85. He is a very professional. If you need to Shopify store or redesign, you can take from this. He is a fast Shopify expert. Then I'll show you second one. He is a very professional, 340 review. So I hope you can check his portfolio. He have so many portfolio in his project page, so this is very professional. You can take service from him. Then you can check basic standard pack has 283 30 hot product and you can 285, and you can take premium package 50 hot products or Shopify website $385. So he is a very professional, 342 review he have already, 4.9 rating. So he's very professional. You have to need Shopify store, he can take. Then second one, he is a Albania. He will develop and design, launch your e-commerce Shopify website. He already one order running. He is a level 2 seller on Shopify Fiverr, 254 review. He have 4.9 rating. His basic price 80 only. A start Shopify package, basic automated dropshipping store with 10 products on basic theme, 3 apps and free logo. He will create website only $80. So he is a very professional. He have portfolio. You can check his portfolio. He have so many project portfolio for he created for his client. So you can take from her. Then you can third one he is Istiak If, 160 review he have. He is a 5 star review. He have all reviews is 5 star. He will create, build Shopify website, Shopify store design, Shopify dropshipping store. His price $80. Single product Shopify store setup with free theme and winning product, one winning product for only $80. And a standard package, he have full store design, redesign and 20 winning products, 5-day delivery within $280. Premium complete dropshipping store with apps up to 14 winning products plus advanced SEO, 7 days delivery. So he is a very professional. He have 106 review, 12 orders already in queue. So he is so much very professional. He have portfolio in web page. I will add this link on my description, don't worry. Then last one, he is Arif Azam. He will build, design and redesign Shopify website, Shopify store, dropshipping store. He is a very professional, 347 review already. He have 347 reviews. All reviews are 5 star. 43 orders in already running. He is a very professional. He have so many order running. He is very professional. All reviews are 5 star. So I hope he is a very professional guy. You have to need Shopify, you can take from his basic price $85. One product store, Shopify store design plus Shopify free theme, one product research, logo plus branding within 3 days delivery, unlimited revision. He will. And a standard package is $295 for professional Shopify store, Shopify design, redesign, 20 product store, winning product research, branding, logo with 5 days delivery. And premium business Shopify store, premium store setup, 50 products, branding, SEO, winning product research. He's all within 7 days delivery, so he's very professional. Today I share you four expert for your Shopify store. Before hire anyone, here for few quick, always check the seller reviews, and fast work. Communicate your project goals clearly before ordering, so you can check every time his review, and he have so many reviews on there. So start a small package to start their work quality. So there are you go for best Shopify expert on Fiverr to help you build and grow your e-commerce business. If you want to check out these gigs, I have add all the links on my description below. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for on videos on Fiverr Shopify online business. Thanks for watching. I will see you the next video. Thank you so much.